This is for the baddies that have naturally wavy hair, but they can't figure out how to make it not frizzy and just like poofy. I too, for a long time, didn't know how to make this shit work, but I finally got it down, so let's get into it. I either oil my hair or I use this apple cider vinegar exfoliating scalp detox. It feels really cleansing, and I notice my dandruff isn't as bad when I use this, so like cooling on your head. I love that feeling. I massage it in my scalp and then leave it on for about 10 minutes. The Fenty hair shampoo and conditioner is my absolute favorite for when I'm wearing my hair wavy. Really moisturizing, and we need all the hydration and moisture to get this shit like the least frizzy as possible. One thing I do is I don't brush my hair after the shower. I know some people can get away. I can never get the dim in brushes right, so I make sure to get all my tangles out now with the wide tooth comb since my hair is already like wet. Every time I brush through my hair, it just loses its wave pattern and fucks it up. Oh, try that. That'll probably make the biggest difference here. Fresh out the shower with laced with baby powder. Microfiber towel always to keep my hair wrapped up. We're not gonna like brush through it, okay? It makes a huge difference for me at least. I love this Not Your Mother's Curl Talk leave-in. I spray a fuck ton throughout my hair. The smell of this is so fruity and nice. And I kind of like take my fingers, spread out my hair, and I do like a first soft scrunch. Now when I scrunch my hair, I don't like to do this. I feel like it just makes it a frizzy fucking mess. Take my hand and just lightly like push it against my head. And we already got some wave pattern going in through there. It's a good sign. This Fenty Hair Home Curl Defining Cream is my crack. I don't know what they put in this, but it's, ooh, come on, girl. Truly amazing, and I use low-key a lot of this as well. Be shy with product with this because wavy hair needs the most moisture. I'm gonna spread it through my hair, and then I start doing my flat palm kind of scrunch. I like the Not Your Mother's one too, but Fenty is my fave, and I love the smell of this. Hair will smell like these products for days. It's incredible. Kind of like to tip my head over and press against the root to get those waves to start coming out. My hair would never curl up like this until I stopped brushing it after the shower, and it changed my life. Honestly, I usually just leave it like this and I start to diffuse. If you want that extra step of hold, a wee bit of the Curl Talk gel just to show you. I don't like to use too much gel because that kind of gives me ramen noodle hair, and I don't fuck with that. Tip my head over for this part, and my flat palm type of scrunch. This is also another big part, diffusing your hair. Just let it air dry, but I feel like the weight of the water kind of weighs my hair down. The curls like longer and not as like, which I like to. That doesn't make sense, and I'm sorry you have to watch this. Drying it outside and not scrunching it yet until it's a little bit drier because I'm not trying to make contact with soaking wet hair, you know? Mainly try to get my roots dry first. Let's take the longest to dry. Then I tilt my head over and start to do scrunching motion. Now we getting some waves in there, bitch. Woo! Okay, it is finally dry. The ends are giving a bit ramen noodle. Usually I go to sleep with this. This is called like a cast. Friction for me sleeping breaks that. For the purpose of this video, I'm gonna break it so you can see the full va-va-boom. Love the Kerastase hair oil. It's pricey, but my favorite hair oil ever. About 2 pumps. Scrunch it in my hair and like kind of start to break apart that cast. You like the ramen noodle vibe? Go for it, queen. Who am I to stop you? But this makes it voluminous, and it already is like getting rid of that crunch. It's giving lion. That usually goes down like within an hour or two. She has a full wave pattern going throughout the whole head and very minimal frizz. So I'd say I ate. Simpler terms, wash your hair, don't brush it after the shower, curl cream, diffuse, scrunch out the ramen noodle. I hope this works for you. This is just what works for my hair. I can't guarantee it'll come out the same, but I can guarantee actually nothing. Good luck. Love you.